Welcome to the new weekly analysis with Harmonic Scanner. In this week I will share what we have seen the previous week and what has happened this week and what we could expect for the next week. In the previous week I have mentioned about Japanese 225, we can see here on the 4-hour time frame. If you have watched the previous analysis, I have shared that there is a possibility, at least what I can see, that the price could return back up, reaching 38,000 as a first take profit, and we can see that the price has reached 38,000. We see that here, and then currently where the price is for the next target is around 39,000, and we can see that 39,287. So we can see currently the price is following this bullish bat pattern that's been formed on the 4-hour on the one day time frame. And it has been shared inside the Telegram group with the traders. You can see it here. The first day profit has been reached. Moving stop loss to the entry level is a good way of protecting the account balance just in case the market turns around. And that means if the market returns back down, continues to fall down even more, the best way is to close this trade with a small profit, with stop loss just above the entry level, so we get out of this trade as a successful trader with a small profit. It is the best to have small profit than to have a larger loss. So currently what I can see here, the price is following. There is a possibility for the price to reach the second take profit, which will be around 39,000. So I'll watch the next week also for this pair. The next one, what has happened on the market, I have received this one. S&P 500 on the 4-hour time frame, indicating further decline down, and we can see what has happened here. We can see the price was inside the small range area here, what we can see here, and the price continued to fall down, and then the price continued to rise in value. So the price is currently in the small downtrend. It is not very strong trend, so I will pay attention to this one. It is not very good. Not very good bat pattern, but what I can see based on the technical analysis, there is a possibility that we will see the price going even more down. But for the stop loss, I would move it just slightly a little bit above, because we can see in the past how the price behaved. Always the price has bounced from this resistance level, and when the breakout happened, the price continued to rise in value. But if we go in the past even more and more, we could see that the price on the downtrend has behaved up as a great resistance level here, which will indicate also a great resistance right here that could also push the price even more down. For the first take profit, I would move this one just a little bit above because of this of this support level, because when the price goes down, the price usually reaches this area, not going below. So it would be the best for the price to reach the first take profit, and then we move stop loss or below the entry level. For the entry level, I would move this entry level just here at the start of this resistance level, because we can see this is a resistance level where the price have problems going above. So there is a possibility that the price comes very close to this one and then goes back down, not activating the start of this potential reversal zone. So it would be best to have safe entry and then continue to wait to see how the price reaches the first and the second take profit. For the second take profit, just a minute, let's move this one here. For the second take profit, for me, it is around this one here, because we can see the price has reached this area. Usually when the price reaches slightly a little bit above, just to reach this one here, we can see when the price drops down, there is some kind of a small conflict between the support and the resistance level here. So we could move this price level very close to this one, but a little bit above, just in case if the price comes very close and then bounces back up. Usually when you have these trades like this, I usually like to have the price getting outside before the price reaches the final target, because sometimes there is also a possibility that the price do not reach the specific position, this one here, position entry level here, and the position and price level here, but comes very close and then bounces back up. This is something that I call this one potential this is the supply and demand zone, upper and the lower side of these levels here. Because you can see when the price reaches with a wick, the price bounces back up before reaching the final one target. So this is something that I pay attention to this, and it is the best to be on the safe side. going outside of the trade before and making a profit, and then waiting to go all the way, and sometimes the price do not go all the way and then return back up, and then you lose everything, even though you could exit earlier with the profit, then being greedy and also waiting to reach the final profit one. So it is a decision on you, but this is something that I would like to do when I trade with this. So this is for this week. There were also other bad patterns formed on the chart, but currently I have picked this one because none of these, we can see it here, are not based on the technical analysis I usually use. So we can see the price in the downtrend and it has performed opposite bad pattern, which is not very good, at least for me. Now if we go quickly through others here, bad patterns, they are not in line with the trend. So it's not very good indication where the price could go. We can see it is moving sideways. It's not very good. Let's see gold against Japanese yen. It is in the uptrend, and this is indicating the opposite direction, which is less likely, at least what I can see here. Then we have S&P 500. This is something that we have seen right now. And then the rest of we have a daily one, euro against NOK. This is also moving sideways, not very clear trend. So let's see, is there any other? April 26th from the yesterday. Let's check the daily ones. Let's check this one. This is also moving sideways, going down, not very good, at least for me. And this is one also on the downtrend. Oh, okay, this is also, there is a possibility that this could be also a good one because it is in the downtrend. We can see it here, and the price has formed the bearish bad pattern just in line with this trend. So if you would like, you could also make the analysis, technical analysis based on this one, and see what are technical levels, support and resistance levels, supply and demand zones. Are they indicating that there is a good very entry here and potential reversal zone that the price could reach this year here. So this is something that I leave for you. What I can see based on the chart, I will move this one here and move this one here as take profit, and the stop loss is at a very good level here, just above. So this is something that I would do quickly, but if you would like, you can also make the analysis. For any analysis, if there is any symbols formed on the chart, I will share it for the gold members here inside the Telegram group, just like in this case, when there is a bad pattern formed on the chart. So if you would like to check, you can also freely join here a gold member section, where you will get the link for the joining the Harmonic Scanner Telegram group. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.